Let me teach you how to change this Google here to your name, something like this. This is my name, and change that Google there and customize it to my name. So let me teach you how to do that quickly. Go to your Microsoft Edge browser, click here, come to extensions, get extension from Microsoft Edge. Come to this search button and type this my dodo. Press enter from your keyboard. Then these are results from the Microsoft extension, but you should select this one, this first one. Click on get to install it. Add extension, allow it to install. After the installation, you can view it if you want. This is it, it has been installed. Go back to this extension, click here. Click on this my dodo. Then change this my dodo here to any name of your choice. Let me change it to embassyphilip. Then click on show preview. Click on show preview. It will change from Google to that name I added there. Let me close the tab and open Google. Open a new tab. Search google.com. Press enter from your keyboard. It will change from this Google to that's your customized name. So if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.